Good morning. Here we are on our remodeling project in Arlington Heights. This is a kitchen remodel project that we are just wrapping up. We've been here a few months. We moved the kitchen from the center of the house to where the old dining room is located here. We expanded the kitchen probably about 2.5 times its size. As you can see, with this large island here, we created a cell-shaped kitchen. The kitchen was kind of landlocked in the middle of the house. There was a wall between the old kitchen and the dining room, and between the old kitchen and the family room. And when the lady was cooking during the holidays, she couldn't see anybody in the house, and she was entertaining. So by moving the kitchen and opening it all up, creating an open flow concept, now she can host the holidays and be part of the family and see everybody. So she's very happy with how it turned out, and it looks great. So thank you for watching our video, and check back with us again soon. Take care.